How's it going? So this is how to set up a router in Express server, right? So what we want to do, want to have a separate, let's say you have, I don't know, 20 apps and you don't want your code to be in here for 20 apps. It might be a bit overwhelming, so you want to separate them in folders. So the first thing you do is you create a folder in your root directory called roots. Then you want to name, so that's going to be your kind of general folder, and then we want to create a kind of like a file which is act like a subfolder, right? So let's call, so my app name is Flender, so I'll call it Flender JS, right? So from here we need to add Express, which is going to be const Express require Express. There is no installation, so router, that's the second thing we add. Express router like this. Now this line I think has to be last. Export, right? So this is going to be module dot exports equals router. So we're exporting this thing here, and here we can put our routes. So let's do, okay, so the distinction is that normally in Express you use app dot whatever the request is, get, post, but in here you use router dot, and let's do a get request, and let's do home. And we're simply gonna do hello, this is home. So this is gonna be displayed in our HTML canvas. Okay, so this is this part done. Now you need to add this to your Express root server, basically. So we're gonna call this router routes. And this is gonna be like this app use where this file is, which is roots. Okay. Oh, whoops. No, that's not correct. So here we put the name of the route. So for example, let's say localhost, whatever you want it. So I'm gonna make it Flender, right? So it's gonna go. So everything that has Flender in it will be routed to this part here, which is gonna be, which is this part here. And this is done, basically, you're done. So now every time you do, somebody queries router with Flender, it will send them to here, and then whatever request is gonna be, which is like home, for example, right? So let's test it out, right? So we are running at port 6000. Let's take a, let's go to port 6000. We want Flender, what was it, home, I think? Let me just have a look. What's wrong here? Respond, okay. Oh, Flender.js, I think, right? No. Maybe like this. Okay, I made a mistake somewhere. Okay, hold on a sec, let me just fix it. Okay, so it does not like port 6000 for some reason. I don't know why. I haven't got a clue. Right, so everything is working, like the code I provided was correct, just that change the code from 6000, your port, to 5000, and then it's going to work. And remember to restart. So let's do 5150, for example. I think it will still work. Let's do another request. Let's do get, I don't know, test1, response from test1, and then send. This is test1. This is test1. Okay, so now it's running on 5150. Okay, so let's try home. So it's 5150. Okay, so this is home, so this is working. Oh, test1. I think test1. Okay, this is test1, so this is working. And we got the response from home and from test1. Alright, so the problem was port 6000. That was the problem. Don't use it. Take care. Bye-bye.